Namaste students. In this video we are going to see chapter 50 probability exercise 15.1 in that 18th, 19th and 20th question. First 18th question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. One disc is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that it bears a two-digit number. Next one, a perfect square number. Next one, a number divisible by 5. What is the sample space here? 90 disc. Now see the problem. First, what we have to write? Sample space. That is yes. What is yes? 90 disc. Totally 90 discs. So n of s is equal to 90. That 1, 2, 3 upon 90 disc we have. N of s is equal to 90. Next, first subdivision is a two-digit number. So let A be a two-digit number. Let A be a two-digit number. Clear? How many two-digit number here we have? From 1 to 90, how many two-digit number? Can you tell me? From 90 to 10, the two-digit number starts from 10 and it ends with 90. So remaining, we can subtract 9. If we subtract 9 from the 90 means we will get two-digit number. So A is equal to 90 minus 9 is equal to 81 two-digit number. We have 81 two-digit numbers. Therefore, n of A is equal to 81. N of A is equal to 81. Next, what we have to write? P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. 81 divided by 90. 81 divided by 90. Clear all of you? And then second subdivision is a perfect square number. Let B be a perfect square number. Perfect square. So how many perfect square we have in between 1 and 90? B. How many perfect square can you write? 4. 2 2s are 4. So perfect square. 4. Then 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Then 64, 81. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 perfect square number. Perfect square number. Therefore P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. 8 divided by 90. 8 divided by 90. Clear all of you? Can you tell me that I include all the perfect square? 4, 9, 16, 25. That 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. Everything okay. Can you tell me that we can include 1 here? We can include 1. Why? Why not? It is a perfect square only, no? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It is also a perfect square. So I am going to add 1 also. Are you all clear, children? We know that 4 is a perfect square. But we don't know that 1 is also the perfect square. That also you have to write. Clear? So plus 1. Plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 90. If you cancel, what you will get? 1 divided by 10. Next, third subdivision is a number divisible by 5. Let C be a number divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. So totally how many number is divisible by between 1 and 90? Shall we write? So we start with 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and then 90. So n of C is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Totally 18 are there. Okay, then can you tell me the answer? Probability of C, that probability of getting a divisible number by 5. Divisible by 5. N of C divided by N of S, that 18 divided by 20. 18 divided by 20. If you cancel, what you will? So not 20, 90. 18 divided by 90. So if you cancel, what will you get? 1 by 5. Clear, children? Thank you. Next, 19th problem. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown the letters as given below. A, B, C, D, E, again A. So the die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and what is the probability of getting D? Here totally what is the sample space? 6. Clear? Now see the problem. Tell me the sample space. Yes. Totally we have 6 faces. Totally we have 6 faces. That box A, B, C, D, E, and then again A, and then again A. So totally how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces. Yes. N of S is equal to 6. N of S is equal to 6. And then what is the first question? What is the first question, Kana? The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? What is the probability of getting A? So how many A we have? We have 1 and 2. 2 A's. So first let A be getting capital A. So 2 A's is there. So capital A is equal to 2. That N of A is equal to 2. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S is equal to 2 by 6. If you cancel, you will get 1 by 3. Next, second subdivision is D. The probability of getting D. Let B be getting face D. So how many D faces is there? Only one. Only one. So B is equal to 1 D's. Then N of B is equal to 1. Therefore P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S, that 1 divided by 6. This is the answer. So first write sample space. N of S, let A, N of A, P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Are you all clear, children? Next, 20th question. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with a diameter 1 meter? So that a circle diameter is 1 meter and we have a rectangle. We have to find the probability that it will land inside the circle. That die have to land inside the circle. Clear, children? Now see the problem. This question they didn't mention anything about yes, N of S, anything. But what we have to find is the probability that it will land inside the circle with the diameter 1 meter. With the diameter 1 meter. This is 1 meter diameter circle. So first we have to find sample space and everything, favorable outcome, possible outcome we have to find, then only we can find the probability. So the total area, the area of the rectangle is the possible outcome. So area of the rectangle is a possible outcome and area of a circle is a favorable outcome. That you have to find the probability it will land inside the circle. So the favorable outcome is inside the circle. So possible outcome is area of a rectangle. That first write that one, probability area of a circle divided by area of a rectangle. This is the probability that the die will land inside the circle. Clear, children? The possible outcome is area of the rectangle and favorable outcome is area of the circle. So how we can find the area of the rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? Length into breadth. What is length here? 3 into 2. So totally 6 meter. So the sample space, the possible outcome is 6. N of S is equal to 6. Clear, children? And then area of a circle. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Pi r square. We know the diameter only, that is 1 meter. So the radius will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 meter. So the pi into 1 by 2 the whole square. So pi into 1 by 4. Pi by 4 meter square. Meter square. This is favorable outcome, that is L. A. N of A is equal to pi by 4. N of A is equal to pi by 4. Clear, children? Therefore, let A be a probability that die will land inside the circle. Inside the circle. So, N of A is equal to pi by 4. That we found, no? Then, therefore, P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S is equal to pi by 4 divided by 6. So what you will get, kana? Pi by 24. Pi by 24. Are you all clear, children? So what is the probability? Pi by 24. That area of a circle divided by area of the rectangle.